In a world filled with gadgets, some stand out not just because they're cool, but because they add a spark of innovation to our everyday lives. Today, we're diving into a lineup of must-have gadgets that blend functionality with fun, ensuring you're prepared, entertained, and always ahead of the curve. From survival tools to party essentials, these gadgets are guaranteed to impress. Let's jump right in. 12. Steakchamp Steak Thermometer. Imagine this. You've spent hours marinating the perfect steak. The sizzle on the grill is music to your ears, but how do you know it's cooked just right? Enter the Steakchamp Steak Thermometer. This sleek little gadget doesn't just measure temperature, it's a meat connoisseur in disguise. Insert it into your steak, and its built-in LED will signal the perfect moment to pull it off the grill. Whether you're a rare enthusiast or a well-done fanatic, this tool eliminates the guesswork, leaving you with steak so good, you'll think you're at a 5-star restaurant. With this gadget, you're no longer just cooking, you're creating steak art. 11. LifeSaber. The LifeSaber isn't just a gadget, it's a lifeline. This compact, lightweight tool is your best friend in a survival situation. Need a flashlight? Done. A USB charger? Absolutely. A plasma lighter? It's got that too. The LifeSaber is essentially the Swiss Army knife of modern tech. But here's the kicker. It doesn't run on batteries. Just give it a spin, literally. It uses kinetic energy to power up. Whether you're lost in the woods or camping under the stars, the LifeSaber ensures you're equipped to face anything. Its survival is simple. 10. Logosol Smart Splitter. Firewood splitting is tough, unless you've got the Logosol Smart Splitter. This ingenious tool makes splitting logs not only easier, but also safer. No more swinging axes or dangerous slips. Just place the splitter on top of the log, let the weighted hammer do the work, and voila, clean, effortless splits every time. The design is so smart, you'll wonder why you ever wrestled with a traditional axe in the first place. Whether you're stocking up for winter or building the perfect campfire, the Smart Splitter is a must-have for anyone who loves a cozy flame. 9. Sol Phoenix Survival Tool. Now, let's talk about the ultimate multi-tool for survival enthusiasts. The Sol Phoenix Survival Tool. This beast of a gadget combines over 20 survival tools into one compact design. A knife, fire starter, whistle, saw, and even a hammer, all in a single tool. It's made from durable materials that can withstand even the harshest conditions. Imagine having all your survival essentials right in your pocket. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or just preparing for emergencies, the Phoenix is your all-in-one solution to stay ready for anything. 8. Tiny Survival Card. Next up is the Tiny Survival Card, a tool so small and versatile, it's like a secret weapon for survivalists. Don't be fooled by its credit card size. This stainless steel powerhouse packs 14 tools into its slim frame, including a mini knife, tweezers, fish hooks, and even an arrowhead. Slip it into your wallet, and you're prepared for anything life throws your way. Need to cut, open, repair, or catch something? The Tiny Survival Card has you covered. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like a modern-day MacGyver. 7. ACR ResQLink. Picture this. You're exploring a remote mountain range or sailing far out at sea, miles from civilization. The ACR ResQLink could be the one thing that saves your life. This personal locator beacon is like carrying your own 911 call in your pocket. If you're in distress, activate it, and it sends your exact location to emergency services via satellite. No cell signal? No problem. It's waterproof, durable, and incredibly compact, making it the perfect companion for adventurers who dare to go off the beaten path. With the ResQLink, help is always just a button pressed away. 6. Jerrycan Mini Bar. Who said practicality can't have a touch of luxury? The Jerrycan Mini Bar is a conversation piece like no other. Designed to look like a vintage jerrycan, it opens to reveal a fully stocked minibar inside. Whether you're at a backyard party or camping with friends, this portable bar has compartments for glasses, bottles, and even a shaker. It's rugged on the outside and sophisticated on the inside, a perfect blend of utility and indulgence. Trust us, this is one gadget your friends will be talking about for years. 5. Brisk It AI Grill. Cooking the perfect barbecue just got a tech upgrade with the Brisk It AI Grill. This isn't your ordinary grill. It's smart, precise, and incredibly efficient. Using AI-powered sensors, it monitors temperature and cooking time to ensure your meat is grilled to perfection. The app connectivity means you can keep tabs on your cooking from anywhere. Fancy a medium-rare steak while you're lounging on the couch? The Brisk It Grill has got you covered. It's like having a personal grill master at your service, taking BBQs to a whole new level of convenience and flavor. 4. Splash Runner 2.5 Motorized Pool Lounger. Why settle for floating around the pool when you can cruise? The Splash Runner 2.5 Motorized Pool Lounger is the ultimate summer gadget. Equipped with dual propellers and a joystick, this lounger lets you glide across the water effortlessly. Whether you're soaking up the sun or delivering drinks to friends, it's a poolside experience like no other. It's not just a float, it's a personal watercraft, perfect for those lazy summer days when you want to relax in style. 3. Poop Pool Thermometer. Yes, you heard that right, the Poop Pool Thermometer. Shaped like a floating poop emoji, this gadget is both practical and hilarious. Despite its goofy appearance, it's a high-precision thermometer that ensures your pool or hot tub is always at the perfect temperature. Plus, it's a guaranteed conversation starter. Kids will love it, adults will laugh, and everyone will appreciate knowing the water is just right. It's proof that even functional gadgets can have a sense of humor. 2. ForMovie Cinema Edge Projector. Turn any wall into a cinematic experience with the ForMovie Cinema Edge Projector. This ultra-portable projector delivers stunning 4K visuals, making movie nights an event to remember. It's compact enough to take anywhere, yet powerful enough to create a massive, high-quality screen. Whether you're watching your favorite film, gaming, or streaming a live concert, the Cinema Edge turns any setting into an entertainment hub. And with built-in speakers, you don't need extra gear. Just sit back and enjoy the show. 1. Portable Grill. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate companion for food lovers on the go, the portable grill. Lightweight, compact, and easy to set up, this grill is perfect for camping trips, tailgate parties, or even a quick backyard cookout. Despite its size, it packs serious heat, offering the kind of grilling power you'd expect from a full-size barbecue. Fold it up, toss it in the trunk, and take the joy of grilling anywhere. With a portable grill, the world is your kitchen, and every meal becomes an adventure. There you have it, a roundup of some of the coolest gadgets that blend practicality with a touch of fun. Whether you're a survivalist, a foodie, or someone who loves to lounge in style, there's something here for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech reviews.